My name is Amazing Prosper. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys Wicks Rejection strategy that will help you know when to get in or get out from the trade. Yes, some practical things which successful traders use to help us get in or get out from trade, which is candlestick patterns, and that thing is called the Wicks Rejection. Yeah, this Wicks Rejection are the things that practically for me I see from the trade and I will get out immediately. I see them, and whenever I see them, whenever I want to get in, I will get in. So I'm going to share with you the candlesticks pattern that I will see plus that weak rejection that will help me get in or get out from the trade, and the zones where it's going to happen that I will say, okay, this is a very good zone for me to get in right now or get out. So let's go directly to the chart and I will share with you guys that thing right now.
So guys, welcome to my chart. So this is my chart. Yeah, this is where I do my rough work. This is where I play around and everything. If I'm going to take any trade, this is where I take my trade. Yeah, so if you're new on my chart, if you're new on my channel and you are thinking, what's all this line that is here? So all these lines are psychology levels. Yeah, so if you go down below on my channel, you can see a video where I share the reason why I'm using it and the reason why I'm using it and how it is working. Yeah, so it's very easy. Yeah, you can see some of my trades. Yeah, so some of the trade I'm taking, if I don't see a weak rejection, I don't take it. So let's go down how I do my analysis. Yeah, so very simple here. So this is a very wonderful trade. Yeah, you can see a multiple weak rejection here. One, two, three, 4, 5. So from here and here, I can call this this is all this is just the same zone where the market is playing around. You can see a multiple weak rejection here. So once I see 3 or 4 multiple weak rejection on that same zone, so I take consideration of what I'm looking at for. If I'm looking for a buy or a sell opportunity or how the zone is reacting from that place, I will know what I'm doing. If I see a break and retest of this zone, like this is a pure break and retest of here, a break, this is a pure break and retest of here. You can see of this zone, of this neckline where, of this neckline. But here, I remember here, but practically I enter for a buy here and I made money. I made about something for something pips from here. Yeah, it's about 50 pips, I think so. But this thing is not. It's about, yes, I know it's about 50 pips. Yes, it's about 50 pips because I got in on 15 minutes. I got out from 15 minutes. So I got out from 15 minutes. So this is some of the trade that I took. So I got out from 15 minutes. Yes, I know. It's about 50 pips. Yeah, so you can see there is a multiple week rejection here. So how I got in here, this trade here was I saw a break and retest of this high that is here, and I know that the trade is not going to go much, so I was targeting about 50 pips here. So, but this trade I took it from from 15 minutes. Here from 15 minutes, I saw the weak rejection that I was looking for on 15 minutes. That's the reason why I got in. So look at it here. So I was literally seeing all this weak rejection, this one, yeah, but the body was big. Yeah, this is a kind of confirmation. This one, I saw these ones and I saw that the market was a kind of rejecting these zones, yeah, from going down below. So okay, I saw, okay, I'm looking for a confirmation candle that will show me that this market is going to go bullish. So I saw this bullish engulfing candle here. I saw this bullish engulfing candle here. Wait, this thing is too. I saw this bullish engulfing candle here. So where I got in was on this one, on this dodgy candle. Yeah, I don't know if what it is, if what you guys call it is dodgy, but yeah, this dodgy candle, this institution candle that is bullish here. That's where I got in because I saw this first one. I saw, okay, this is like a break and retest of this zone. Yeah, of this zone here. Hold on. This was a clear break and retest of this zone here. So once I saw that, I entered the trade and I made about 50 pips here. So let's go on the other trade where I took other trades. Yeah, where I took other trades. Very simple with rejection. So if you can see here, for me, what I do is that if I already know where the trade market is or what I'm looking for, if I'm looking for a buy or a sell setup on that zone, and I start seeing a multiple week rejection, like you can see here, and also you have to have a strategy that you are using. For me, I have a strategy that I'm using, and I have what I call chart pattern and candlestick formation that I'll be seeing on the zone. Like practically, this was a very good place to get in for a sell trade opportunity for me, but I think this is not my right time of taking trade. That's why I didn't take this trade and I didn't mark it. Yeah, so but on 15 minutes, let's see what happened there. Okay, so this is a very clear trade. You can see a multiple week rejection trade here. So if you are trading and you are like, oh, what will I be using? What kind of candlestick that will I be using to get in on a trade? So practically you have to understand that for you to get in on a trade, you have to know the direction of the market. For you to be good, yeah, you can get in on a trade and you lose money, but for you to be good on your analysis and you want to be catching every time that you get in, you have to know the direction of the market for from a higher time frame. For me, my higher time frame that I use is 4 hours. So I use 4 hours to find the major trend of this major trend. So if you're trading and you are like, okay, so what is happening? You can see from 4 hours, you can practically see that this is an uptrend. So all these things is just a minor retracement, yeah, a minor retracement of these things of this pair here, a minor retracement. So for me, if the minor retracement is happening now, so what will I do? I will go on 1 hour to find my main trend. So that's why sometimes you see, even if on the bull run, on a bull run like this on GDP I will still be saying, okay, I'm looking for a sell opportunity because on 1 hour time frame is my current trade. So in this kind of a trade, you can see that I brought in for a sell trade here, in as much as it's a bull trade, it's a bull run market. Like the bull is taking charge of this market currently in this year. Like this year now, the market is on a bull run. So if I'm trying to catch anything on 1 hour, I will also know that okay, this market is a kind of retracing right now. So on this retracement, you can see that I brought in here and I brought in here. So yeah, so this is it. You can see a clear multiple week rejection. So if I start seeing multiple week rejection here, the close of this candle on this one, I will go over to, for me, if I'm for me, the way I do it is this. I'll go over to 15 minutes and check what is happening there. Okay, you can see on 15 minutes, you can see it clearly, you can see. So my chart pattern here is this. Chart pattern here is this one. This is the first leg and this is the second leg. Yeah, this is the first leg for me and this is the second leg, but I just use it this way. And once I see this weak rejection, this one, and upon this fourth one, upon this third one, this one that looks like a or bullish, that was where I brought in and I made money about 50 something pips. Yeah. So what about this one? This one is also the same thing. So this one didn't show a multiple week rejection clearly on here, but I see this one as a retracement or a kind of break and retest of this zone on, and also at the psychology level. I know then my trade line was somewhere here and it was a clear sell trade and I made about 50 something pips again. So from here, I trade from psychology to psychology levels. So that's how I trade my and that's why I take my trades. So a multiple week rejection strategy is very clear and it's working clearly. So you can see here, you can see week rejection here and a chart pattern of M here. So if you're taking any trade here, you have to be mindful about your chart pattern because the chart pattern is changed. Irrespective of the week rejection, the chart pattern is changed. If you can clearly know that your chart patterns, you know the chart pattern you are trading, you will be very profitable. So my chart pattern that I'm trading is just clear. Let me show you guys the chart pattern. Very clear. Hold on. So this is my chart pattern, very clear. I've thought about this thing several times. This is my chart pattern, very clear. This one. Whenever I see this one is for a sell opportunity. What about buy opportunity? This one is for a buy opportunity. So what about sell opportunity? Sell opportunity is this. Sell opportunity is this. So this is clearly what happened here. You can see this is clearly what happened here. So what about other ones? So other one that I took here. Okay, look at this for buy opportunity. This one is practically, if you get in here, you will still be in profit. You still be in profit. Yeah, but me, I brought in somewhere here. Yeah, so I see these ones. If you go on 5 minutes, you can practically see that it was a clear. Hold on, the 5 minutes is a little bit smaller. This is it. So very simple. So if for me, if the weak rejection is not clear, I'll just go on 5 minutes and see it clearly. So you can see that the weak rejection is here clear. One, two, three. So this one's the third one. Here a break. You can see a break and you get in. For me, I got in here somewhere here. Yeah, so that's it. But if you're an aggressive trader like me, you can get in on this weak rejection, like because you know clearly it's a break and retest of that zone, of this zone that you're waiting for it, this high that you just break. and retest. So, but if you're a conservative trader, you can wait for all these things to happen before you get in. Some people get in here. So let's check another one. Let's check another one. So a clear multiple week rejection that you can use every time that you are trading. Let's check another one. Okay. Okay. See this one. See this one. Here, clear. Hold on. I don't know why this color is that. I don't like using that one. Okay, so you can see a clear one, one, two, three. For me, is whenever it is three, and the direction that I'm looking out for is complete. Chart pattern, M. I'm taking the trade. Yeah. So multiple week rejection strategy is working. Even from here, you can see one, two. You can see all these ones. For me, they must be clear. So upon of this one, you can take for a set trade and you will make money. So this is it on this one. Thank you so much, guys.
So guys, that's the weak rejection strategy that I just shared with you guys right now. So what you have to do for me right now, if you're new here, please consider subscribing and turn your bell notification. This strategy that I just shared with you is how I use those weak rejection in my own favor and how I apply them on my own chart. Very easy peasy trading strategy that I use, which is called the weak rejection strategy. Yeah, if you know how to use and apply this strategy that I just showed you guys right now, you are going to be killing it in the market. You're going to be cashing out steady by steady. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Peace out.